May bisita tayo. Papasok na siya. Yan, papasok na. Papasok na si Poknat. Yan. Saan ka galing? Ha? Saan ka galing? Gala ka ng gala. Oo. Mukhang danas ng lambing-lambing na yan eh. Gala ka ng gala eh. Hindi ka nagpapaalam ha. Saan ka gumala ha? Ikaw Poknat. Hindi ka na si Puti. Poknat ka na. Oo, namadaming Poknat mo. Sige, kain na. Ano? Huwag na lambing-lambing. Oh. Lambing-lambing pa eh, oh. Bit sunod ang sunod. Oh. Sunod na naman. Hindi ko sunod ang sunod, ha, baby girl. Poknat. Hindi na puti pangalan mo.
Yeah, that explains Ben. They're targeting passengers. All I know is this is bigger than just the NYPD. This is bigger than the US.
Yun.
Apparently, this crackdown is going
Mga anak mo dun sa labas.
in Europe, Australia, and Singapore. There's an H-weight passenger currently undergoing a military training. This is unacceptable. They can't just suddenly do this. We have to fight back somehow.
I'm not sure there's anything we can do at this point.